Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ocean egg. Wiki article. It was released on October 10, 2020, replacing the Aussie egg. It was replaced by the ocean egg on April 16, 2021. The fossil egg is no longer obtainable and can now only be obtained through trading.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The royal egg has the highest chance of hatching a legendary pet, 8%. It is the most expensive egg in-game at the nursery. The royal egg was featured in the egg bundle along with the cracked egg, pet egg and farm egg.
Take our lead.
The farm egg was the first ever limited egg to have multiple legendary pets, with the others being the Aussie egg, the fossil egg, and the ocean egg. The farm egg has the most birds out of any other eggs, having 6 birds in total.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.